Diamonds are often seen as symbols of luxury and love, but behind the sparkle lies the dark side of diamonds, a complex web of human rights abuses, environmental damage, and deceitful practices. Let's uncover the truth. 1. Blood diamonds. Diamonds mined in conflict zones such as Angola, Congo, and Sierra Leone, often using forced labor and sold to fund violent activities. Example: the Sierra Leone Civil War 1991 to 2002 was partly funded by the trade in blood diamonds. They are called conflict diamonds or blood diamonds because of the atrocities inflicted against the citizens of these regions. See the documentary Blood Diamond 2006, which highlights this issue. 2. Human rights abuses. Miners face poor working conditions, low wages, and human rights abuses in some diamond mines. Children as young as 12 are working in diamond mines. Example: in 2018, the International Labour Organization ILO reported that thousands of workers in Zimbabwe's Marange diamond fields were forced by the military to work in diamond mining from 2008 to 2014. 3. Environmental damage. Diamond mining can harm the environment, causing deforestation, water pollution, and soil erosion. People don't get good food, water, and a healthy environment. Example: the diamond mining town of Jwaneng in Botswana has faced environmental concerns, including water pollution and land degradation. 4. The beer's market manipulation. The Beers, a dominant player, has been accused of controlling diamond prices and limiting supply. Example: in the 1990s, the Beers was accused of price fixing and limiting diamond supply to control prices. Diamond is forever was cleverly linked by the Beers to the idea of everlasting love. Diamond became the symbol of love, luxury, and commitment. Diamond engagement rings became the norm, and it has become a lasting tradition till today. 5. Kimberly process limitations. The Kimberly process, aimed at preventing blood diamonds, has been criticized for being ineffective and corrupt. Example: in 2019, the NGO Partnership Africa Canada criticized the Kimberly process for failing to address human rights abuses in diamond producing countries. 6. Diamond certification issues. Certificates can be forged or manipulated, making it hard to verify a diamond's origin. Example: in 2019, a Belgian court convicted a diamond trader of forgery and money laundering related to fake diamond certificates. 7. Misrepresentation of diamond value. Some sellers inflate diamond prices or misrepresent their value. Example: in 2019, the Federal Trade Commission FTC updated guidelines for diamond marketing, citing concerns about deceptive practices. 8. Synthetic diamond confusion. Consumers may be unaware whether their diamond is natural or synthetic. Example: in 2020, the International Gemological Institute IGI reported an increase in synthetic diamond sales, highlighting the need for transparency. 9. Diamond cutting and polishing exploitation. Workers in cutting and polishing industries often face poor working conditions and low wages. Example: a 2020 report by Human Rights Watch documented exploitation of workers in India's diamond cutting and polishing industry. 10. Market demand manipulation. Advertising campaigns like the Beers A Diamond is Forever created artificial demand. Example: the Beers A Diamond is Forever campaign, launched in 1947, successfully created an illusion of demands as rare and scarce. As we peel back the layers of the diamond industry, we find a trail of exploitation, corruption, and suffering that stretches from mines to marketplaces. 11. Limited transparency. Diamond industry practices and transactions can lack transparency. Example: in 2018, the Pandora Papers revealed that some diamond companies used complex structures to obscure ownership. 12. Counterfeit diamonds. Fake diamonds are sold to unsuspecting buyers. Example: in 2019, a man was sentenced to prison for selling counterfeit diamonds worth millions. 13. Unregulated online sales. Online diamond sales can be risky due to lack of regulation. Example, in 2020, the Better Business Bureau warned consumers about the risks of buying diamonds online. 14. Lack of standardization. Diamond pricing and quality assessments can vary. Example, the 4 C's, carat, color, clarity, and cut, are widely used but not universally standardized. 15. Child labor. Children are sometimes used in diamond mining, especially in informal mines. Example, a 2018 report by the ILO documented cases of child labor in diamond mining in some African countries. 16. Health risks. Diamond mining and cutting can pose health risks to workers. Example, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine found that diamond miners were at risk of respiratory diseases. 17. Lack of accountability. Companies may not be held accountable for their practices. Example, in 2020, Amnesty International criticized the diamond industry for lacking transparency and accountability. 18. Diamond upgrade scam. Sellers promise to upgrade the diamonds or size for a fee but deliver a low quality stone. 19. Heavily discounted wholesale prices. Some retailers claim to offer wholesale prices, but these prices are often inflated to make the discount seem more impressive. 20th. One of a kind scam. Sellers claim a diamond is unique or one of a kind to increase its value. Let's see 2 fun facts. 1. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed that diamonds were tears of gods, and Romans believed that Cupid's arrows were tipped with diamonds, an early association between diamonds and romance. 2. The tradition of wearing an engagement ring on the fourth finger of the left hand originated in Egypt. The Egyptians believed that the vein of love, also known as vena amoris, runs from the top of the finger straight to the heart. Let's shine a light on the true cost of diamonds. By making informed choices and demanding transparency, we can have a more responsible diamond industry. Make sure that the beauty of diamonds doesn't come at the cost of human dignity and the environment. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.